Welcome to Solve for Why, where we're unlocking curiosity and creating leaders. In this episode of our Artificial Intelligence in Education series, we're going to talk about prompt engineering. What is prompt engineering and why does it matter? Prompt engineering is the process of crafting specific, clear instructions to guide AI systems in generating high-quality responses. For educators, it matters because well-designed prompts help unlock the full potential of AI tools in lesson planning, student inquiry, assessment, and classroom creativity. By mastering prompt engineering, teachers can save time, personalize learning, and ensure students receive relevant, accurate support from AI. A good AI prompt is specific, contextual, and structured. Consider. Summarize the key findings from 3 research articles about classroom management published after 2020. Or create a rubric with 4 criteria for evaluating student reflective journals using a 4-point scale. These are examples that provide clear instructions, context, and desired output format, setting students up for success in AI-driven learning. Here are some tips for writing effective AI prompts with students. When writing prompts, be clear about the task and the outcome. Provide background and examples, and specify the desired format. Break complex questions into manageable steps. For example, list 5 peer-reviewed articles published after 2020, then summarize them in 2 to 3 sentences each. Always proofread for clarity, as vague prompts lead to confusion or irrelevant AI responses. Common mistakes include overly broad prompts, lack of context, and failing to specify output structure. To fix these, refine the prompt to focus on a specific goal. Add background, clarify instructions, and list output requirements. Instead of saying, help with fractions, say, explain 3 strategies for teaching fractions to 3rd graders with examples. Specificity increases the usefulness and relevance of AI-generated results. Use advanced prompt strategies. So, for instance, use multi-step prompts to scaffold research tasks. Research 3 current approaches to formative assessment in K-12, summarize their strengths and weaknesses, and suggest how to implement each in a classroom. Or employ role-playing prompts such as, imagine you're a 19th century scientist. Debate your discovery with a modern student. These strategies deepen critical thinking and support creative teaching and learning. Have students design their own prompts. Invite your students to experiment by designing prompts for an AI tutor or chatbot. Begin with a learning goal. Then ask students to craft instructions that help the AI explain, quiz, or guide them on a concept. For instance, you are a friendly math tutor. First, ask me about what I already know about decimals. Then, explain the main idea and quiz me to check my understanding. This exercise boosts digital literacy and ownership of learning. Let's try some prompt hacks. In language arts, prompt the AI to write a poem using 3 literary devices, then explain how each is employed. For science, request, design a simple experiment showing water evaporation. For math, solve this word problem and show each step. In social studies, compare two historical figures' leadership styles in a short dialogue. Subject-specific hacks foster engagement and tailored learning experiences. For English learners, keep prompts simple and use visuals or definitions. For example, explain volcanoes using short sentences and include a drawing suggestion. For special education, adapt your prompts. Describe photosynthesis using only words found in this vocabulary list. Clarify tasks and provide explicit supportive scaffolds so all learners succeed with AI tools. How to use prompts for formative assessment. Employ prompts like, list 3 things you learned about the Civil War from today's lesson, and ask a question about something you'd like to know more. Use AI to quickly review and give feedback on student responses. Identify learning gaps and adjust instructions in real time, making formative assessment more dynamic and efficient. Don't do this alone. Organize faculty workshops to practice prompt engineering together. Start by sharing successful prompts, then collaboratively refine and test them on various AI tools. Evaluate outputs as a team and develop a shared set of prompts for teaching, assessment, and student support. Continuous practice builds collective expertise and maximizes classroom impact. Bonus for you. I made a prompt evaluator on ChatGPT. Check it out. Use it with your students. They might like it. I hope you learned something. I love it when you learn something. Please take a few minutes to like, share, or follow. See you next time. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you. Go forth and be great.